Hey there everyone, how's it going? Mustafiz here with another video. It's been a while since the last time I did a speed art video. I mean, a very, very long time. Nevertheless, in the background you see playing is my first return to Twitch kind of stream. Hilariously enough, I had none of my overlays ready or anything like that. And the only reason I finally went back to Twitch is that as you guys may know, if you don't know at all, I've been working on a lot of videos and short films over the last 2 months or so since the beginning of this year, and I haven't had a lot of time to work on anything new. And I've been meaning to do an update video on what I'm going to be doing with the New Year's and what projects I have. I may do that, but I also have a lot of products ready for this channel specifically 3D printing, art related, and maybe some sprinkle of tutorials or something else or more. Nevertheless, during the live stream on earlier in the day on Twitch, I asked if you guys wanted to do gaming or art, and a lot of you guys voted for art, and thankfully I was happy you guys chose that option, because I haven't drawn anything in ages or done anything drawing based or art based, because I was so busy doing visual effects or working with the gaming channel. So it was a nice breath of fresh air, and I was finally getting around to using my new tablet, the Huion Canvas 16-inch. I upgraded from the Huion Canvas 13. I'll be probably making a unboxing video on that, and then also an unboxing video on the 16 as well. And it's a 2021 version. It was such a pristine, such an amazing experience drawing with it. It feels like I'm actually using paper. So I started the stream off with just a little roughly, because apparently my voice wasn't going through, and Twitch had updated the way they handle voices and stuff like that. So I did gesture drawings, and then I paused and restarted, and then we had a couple people ask about I started drawing, and then I was tasked with drawing Sailor Pluto from Sailor Moon. And so, being a big weeb I am, it's been a while since I've actually watched anime, and I kept referring to her to the wrong name. But nevertheless, I kept drawing her, and it was interesting because I haven't drawn in ages, since it was my first time trying to take like a proportion. So a lot of my proportions were off and everything. But I just wanted to upload just basically this time lapse and show that like even I can. If I stay away from things, like, you can totally lose practice, and just wanted that to be a proof of how I work. Nevertheless, I drew her, and then I was offered to draw Djarin from the Mandalorian TV show on Disney Plus. One of my favorite things. It's not the first time I've drawn him. As you guys know, I've already painted him once with his helmet, but one of my followers asked if I can draw him without his helmet, and I didn't do a good job of that. Nevertheless, I'll probably be doing a part 2 to this video and to the live stream. So if you want to catch me, you can catch me on my Twitch channel. I'll be playing more games and doing more art live streams. 7 p.m. PST, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays on Twitch, and that's twitch.tv Shahriyar95. Come by, hang out. I like to interact with you guys, talk to you, and then maybe hop onto Discord and just play a couple games. Nevertheless, I'm just gonna let the video play out, finish up, and you guys enjoy this time lapse of me working on what is essentially some of my first pieces of art after my hiatus. Nevertheless, I'll be posting on the finished versions of these pieces on my Twitter and on my Instagram, and I'll probably be doing an update video on how I finish these pieces. These are sketches and roughs after all, so they're not perfect. I'm not really happy with them, to be honest, but that's the thing. That's the beauty of digital art, is that you can Control Z, you can modify, you can do what you need to make your art piece come out. Nothing's permanent. You can always constantly adjust until where you feel like it could be. And honestly, you should be creating art for yourself to begin with. Nevertheless, this is Shahriyar. I'm going to sign off for now. And I'm happy that you guys are here, and I'm happy to be starting to create content once again. I highly recommend hitting that subscribe button, hitting that notification bell if you haven't done so already. It means a lot that this channel is growing, and all my other channels are growing out as well. I run 3 other channels. I have a film channel, a behind the scenes channel where I teach you how to do film and video editing, and then of course there's my gaming channel, which I've been uploading a lot lately, and I've been really happy with my new setup. Like I said, if you guys missed, also on Instagram, I built a new computer, and I've already posted the pictures on it about how it looks and everything. And I'll be doing like actually a follow-up video on this channel on how I built my computer. Hopefully I get around to finishing the edits for that. Nevertheless, I already said I'm gonna leave you with just this random time lapse, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey, thanks for sticking around, watching up all the way to the end. It means a lot that you guys did. I hope you guys consider checking out my Twitch channel. I'll probably be live streaming later tonight at 7 p.m. PST. Highly recommend that you guys stop by. I'll be probably doing some games or something, and depends on what you guys vote for on my polls on my Instagram and my Twitter. Highly recommend following me over there on Instagram and Twitter. They all both have the same handle, which is at Mustafi Shah. You can check me out there, as well as check me out on all my other social media platforms and links, and you can find everything you need to support me in the description box below. And if you haven't done so already, consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell while you're at it, and leaving a like. Also, leaving a comment below about what you like about this video. Is there anything you want to see me do or draw next time? I'll probably feature your comment in the next video. Nevertheless, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.